Oh, some of that WL Mouse, some of that WL Mouse Huan. Huan, WL Mouse, WL Mouse Huan. Some of that WL Mouse Huan. FragWatch here. Today we're going to be unboxing two of the WLMouse Huans. These are magnesium mice akin to the WLMouse Ying. Maybe. I don't know. We're going to find out. Oh, look. He got himself a new knife. Look at this. And it's like I got to get used to it. Like fucking flips down. I'll have to get used to it. Yeah. Fucking just open this. Still weird to me. All right. Like that. Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's pop this open. What do we got? Does this wrapper go all the way around? Let's see if this knife is even sharp. I didn't check. It's not. Damn it. Okay. Oh, man. That knife is not great. Okay. Let's get this going, yeah? Okay. I'm excited about this. I'm probably WLMouse's #1 customer. No joke. I think I've spent $5,000 with them this last year alone. Whee! It's a lot of money. It's too much money. Okay. Continuing on. Let's switch the positions here. Let's get this over here. My mic going so you guys can see this better. Got this is the cat, the Nico. Okay. Nice. Let's pop this out. A mouse pad to match this, I believe. Got some weeb shit. Okay. A bunch of crumbs. The fuck. Okay. We got a Mandarin or a manual. Oh no, it's not completely in Mandarin. Just the outside. The inside. The inside edition. The inside edition is in English. Okay. Let's. This dongle's cute. Look at that. Wow. It's all fucking scratched. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Mine's all scratched. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's neat. Oh, it's like rubber. I could like throw this. I could throw it. I could throw it. Oh, I could throw it. I'm kind of excited. I'm very excited. Not kind of. I'm very fucking excited about this mouse. Okay. All right, let's peel this bad boy off. Whee! That's rad. That's fucking radical. Oh, dude, that's so fucking. What? Oh man. Look at. Oh, dude. Oh, wow. Pulled out the Ying. Skinnier, much skinnier. Wow, that's a cool shape. It's like flared at the front and back. It's like a. That's cool. Okay. Let's get these skates off. These skate covers off. It's just gonna stick to my hand. We're gonna roll with it though. While we're waiting, I'm collecting watches. Check this fucking watch out, man. It's made of cherryerite. It's like a rare mineral. Fucking dope. Matches this shirt. Yeah, baby. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Foam boy. Okay. Got a little care package here. A little box. Little boxy boy. Okay, what do we got? Got a... Wow, that is a stiff cord, but it's like reflective. Check that out. That's cool. Shiny. This whole, like, this is all pearlescent. I don't know if you guys can see how pearlescent that is. It's kind of cool. It feels real premium. Okay. Liking it so far. Hope I'm not paying extra for that. Oh, we got a pull boy tab on this. Okay, let's pull that. Boop. What do we got in here? Okay, looks like we got alcohol wipes to clean it off before you put 2 types of grip tape. Oh, wow. So we got extra skates. Nice. It's like those are like really soft. Wow, those are soft skates. So you got corner and full. Nice. And we've got tape. It comes with dot skates on it. Okay. Nice. Okay. So let's put these back in here. Oh, wait. We got a ton more corner skates. Holy shit. Are these the same size? These look bigger. No, they're the same size. These are really hard. These are hard-ass skates compared to these full ones. These full ones are like very noticeably soft skates. I wonder what material they're made of. That's very interesting. I'll probably be putting those on one of these. I got 2 of them. Duh. Yeah, you got 2 of them, Fraggy. Okay. FragWatch has 2 Huans. Am I saying that right? Huan, Huan, Huan. Nah, fuck it. I don't know. Let's put this weeb shit back in here. Oh, come on. Come on. That's what those weebs do. They come on. Okay. Having a good time. Yes, yes, yes. This shit out of here. Okay. Boom. Did I scratch my pad? No, that's a hair. God, that scared the fuck out of me. Let's get this fucking dull-ass knife. What color is this? This is white and purple. This one sold out quick. I think this one's diamond cut, if I remember right. We're going to find out what the hell that means. We're going to find out what it means. Oh, what the fuck does a diamond cut mean? I would have liked if you had a description of what that meant, WLMouse, when I was ordering this, because this was like $20 more than even the Nico, which was like $10 more than the rest of the models. Okay, we got the same shit. Weeby. Out of here. Oh, man, I'm going to have to like put a mark. Oh, this one's not scratched. Good. Okay. All right. Okay. Moment we've all been waiting for. Oh, this is Christmas Day. Maybe. I don't know. Oh, boy. That off of there. Let's just get these off. I really love the way they've done this bottom plate. I'll hold it up to the camera in a second. There's like designs all over it. On both of them, too. I mean, I wonder if they're the same. Okay. Okay. There's a... I don't know if you guys can see the designs. Probably not. Okay. Can't see the designs. Whatever. What about in here? Yeah, there. A little bit better. Damn. Man, this is a nice... Now, what the fuck does diamond cut mean? Like, I cannot... Okay, I see. Maybe these edges? No. Man, someone would really have to, like, put this under a microscope for me to see why I paid extra for this one. Okay. Yeah, they feel identical. Like, I don't fucking... Okay, that was the unboxing of the Huan by WLMouse. Oh, that's right. Let's get the other one out because I want skates. Where the fuck? Anyway, I'll do that on my own. Thank you for watching. This is FragWatch out. I'm very excited to test these. Those aren't controlling my mouse right now. This is... Oh, man, I got glass on glass. Oh, boy. Oh.